Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A14 and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this Samsung. First of all, select one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, like Messages. Now access background apps. In order to do that with Tricky's navigation, click on this button with 3 lines. Now click on the icon of your app and select Open in Pop-up View. As you can see now, I can use it in this little window. If you wish to move it around, hold this line and drag it. You can also turn it into a bubble by tapping on Home button and then tap on the bubble to open your app. In order to use it overlay the other one, just click on the other one and operate in both. If you wish to close your window, you can drag it to Remove section or simply swipe it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!